Syllogism is a form of reasoning in which some statements are given and some conclusions are given. Analyze the given statements with the Venn diagram and draw correct conclusion, which is correct or which is not. From that, choose the right answer from the given answers. Please read these directions before going to solve the problems. Let us solve this example problem. Here no meeting is an argument. That means we have to draw a Venn diagram as no meeting argument. So there is no relation between meeting and argument. M for meeting and A for argument. All debates are arguments. All debates comes under arguments. Some debates are fights. Some debates are fights. So from this diagram we check the conclusions. No fight is meeting. No fight is meeting. And some fights are meetings. From the given statements we can't decide which option is we can't decide any relation between fights and meeting, but here both no fight is meeting and some fights are meeting. Either one or two should be correct. So our answer is 3. See here all hands are limbs. All hands comes under limbs and all limbs comes under fingers. Some fingers are thumbs. Some fingers are thumbs. Here some thumbs being limbs is a possibility. Here some thumbs being limbs is a possibility. If we draw another diagram, there we take here from some fingers are thumbs. So there may be a possibility of thumbs being limbs. So it is correct. All hands are fingers. From this figure we can say all hands are fingers. So both conclusions are correct. So our answer is 4. Both 1 and 2 follows. See this example. All teams are participants. All teams are participants. All members are teams. All members comes under teams. No member is captain. So there is no relation between member and captain. Here at least some participants are mountains. At least some participants are mountains. This is correct. Here all teams being captains is a possibility. All teams being captains is a possibility, but it is not true because no member is captain, but here all members are comes under teams. So we can't say all teams being captains is a possibility. So our answer is only 1 follows. See here some slopes are mountains. Some slopes are mountains. We can draw like this. And now mountain is river. There is no relation between mountain and river. Some rivers are ponds. Some rivers are ponds. All ponds being mountains is a possibility. From the statement there is no relation between ponds and mountains. So check here. All ponds being mountains is a possibility is not correct. And all slopes being rivers is a possibility. Here also we can say no mountain is river and some rivers are ponds. So there is relation between mountains and ponds, but here all slopes being rivers is a possibility. We can't say this is correct, so it is wrong. So both none follows is the correct answer. Here no gate is door. There is no relation between gate and door. G for gate and D for door. All doors are walls. All doors comes under walls. No wall is ceiling. No wall is ceiling means no door is ceiling. No ceiling is door. So it is correct. And at least some gates are ceilings. At least some gates are ceilings. We can't say at least some, there is no relation between gate and ceiling here. So it is wrong. We can say only 2 is correct. Here check here. Some logics are reasons. Some logics are reasons. All reasons are arguments. All reasons comes under arguments. And all arguments comes under fights. All arguments comes under fights. No fight is discussion. That means no argument is discussion and no reason is discussion. Here check the conclusions. All discussions being logic is possibility. All discussions being logic is possibility. This is not correct because no fight is discussion. There is some relation between these two, logic and fight. So we